Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to place a test order in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to the Shopify settings, click on payments, click on choose a provider. Then you can select this bogus gateway. Then reactivate this. You can see bogus gateway is now activated. Now we will test this on our online store. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go to catalog, add any product to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You can enter the email, any test address, in card number, you can mention just number 1 and expiration date, any 3 digits security code, and name on card also 1, and click on pay now. So here you can see the order has been placed. Go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on orders. So here you can see this order is arrived here. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to place a test order in your Shopify account. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like, share, comment and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.